Some days you get very expensive hardware into repair. 3080 Ti, i9 12900, Corsair 1500 watt power supply, another large Corsair case, and this one is currently not gaming. Previous expensive machine I looked at, turns out it was a modular power supply leads. This one's going to be slightly different, but if I load up, for example, Firmark, go GPU stress test, and click go, actually, oh, there we go, we've just froze. 5 seconds in, and we're down. When I look at something complex like this, I instantly look and go, here we require a riser card. What happens if we delete that from here? Ta-da! We're now gone. And here we are. Here. On Leanne Lee PCI 16 or PCIe 3rd gen 16 times slot. So with that removed, and we're now here, let's click and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Currently operating just fine. So I find with builds that are very complex, sometimes it's usually just worthwhile to simplify them as much as you can. Either disconnecting USB headers, disconnecting the RGB fans, whatever it may be. Well, this one, remove the added complexity of the graphics adapter. So I'm not sure if this is faulty or if it just doesn't want to talk to the 3080, but with that removed, we seem to be operating just fine. That's all for today, and I'll see you guys later. Bye. And we are still happily going